Hi, this is Silverwolf, and what's this? Furbies? A Furby video? An actual Furby video? Well, actually, it's more kind of the technological side of Furbies than anything else, so it's an informative video as well. So today's shout out goes to Nadine Jordan, and the person who had the idea for this video was Vin Games, who informed me the other day that you can actually interchange faceplates and voice boxes, ears, and all the other things between these two Furbies, the Furby Boom and the Furby Crystal. Now, some of you might remember that the Furby Boom was released in 2013 and the Furby Crystal a year later. The Furby Crystal was actually advertised as Furby Crystal, well, it was Furby Boom Crystal Series. So, I forgot what I was going to say then. Yeah, Furby Boom Crystal Series. So you can tell from the names that these two Furbies can probably be interchanged, which is great for customizing, but it's also useful if you've got a Furby Boom or a Furby Crystal that needs parts and you happen to have bought, or maybe have yourself, one that is broken. So you can take off all these different parts. As you can see, they're very similar. Now, the face plates, you can see here the shape of them. They will fit one another's faces. The ears, again, they're very similar and can be changed over. And also the internal workings of these two Furbies are essentially the same. They decided to do the Crystal series because they thought, oh hey, you know, we don't have to change the internal workings, all we need to change is the plastics on the face and the ears and the feet, and market it under a new name. But it's still the same internal workings, same personalities, and everything else is the same. Which means that it's also quite useful for if you've, as time goes on, if you've got one that breaks, you can change the parts and things inside it. So I just thought I'd put that out there so that if any of you are not aware and you have a boom or a crystal that doesn't work, you can use another boom or another crystal to get it to work. The Furby booms are very popular and there seems to be quite a lot around, but from what I've seen around the place, there doesn't seem to be as many crystals. For example, the rainbow crystal seems to be harder to find. They also go for quite a lot on eBay. So if you've got a crystal that breaks, fear not, you can use parts from a boom to bring your crystal back to life again. And like I said, you can also use it for customization purposes. If you want to skin them and, you know, swap pieces around, it's fairly easy to take apart one and put it back together on the other, which makes them a very versatile type of Furby, more so than the 2012s before them. My favourite Furbies are still the Connects. I didn't mind the personality changing, but I liked something that was more stable. So, if any of my Connects break, I'll be very sad, but I do treat them all quite well. So, like I said, this was just an informative video, just showing that these two could be interchanged if you so wished, which makes them last a bit longer. This one's actually got batteries in it. This one has not. And the reason this one doesn't have batteries in it is because the movement sensor is so sensitive that whenever I just walk past him, he will wake up. And so he's got 3 batteries in, but he doesn't have the 4th one because, like I said, even if he rocks slightly, like that, he'll just wake up. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, my house, the floorboards are kind of rickety in some places. So, I was sure this one went to sleep and it had the fiery personality, but now it's obnoxious. And very happy to be awake. But I thought I'd switch it on, just so that you could see one in action.
I heard a stinky bird.
Yeah, luckily I couldn't smell it, thank you for that. See, she likes fart jokes. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, please let me know what you think in the comments. And there's more related videos coming up in the boxes below. And if you're interested in any of my silver merchandise, the links are in the description. And also feel free, if you would like to, donate a Ko-fi to me on my Ko-fi as well to help me out. And that's all for this time. And I hope you're all staying safe and well.
You didn't.
Oh yes, I did. This is Silverwolf signing off.